this video, we are sharing with you a little preview of what you can expect to be coming up on our channel in the next 12 months. To start things off, we're sharing with you a little taster of some of the projects that you can expect to see. This one here is a little demonstration of making flowers out of wood. These particular demonstrations, as well as a number of others that you can expect on our channel, are going to be ASMR demonstrations, meaning that you've got all the sounds of the machines and the tools working, no voiceover, and just a focus on the pure, clean aspect of how the different items have been made. We'll also then share some of the ideas that we've developed to enhance what we have on sale here at our family workshop. We'll be continuing to share some of the simple projects that we make, as well as some of the more complex and demanding projects that we make. So a key focus of what will be coming over the next 12 months will be sharing what we make, showing you the techniques, showing you the methods. This will all then be backed up with our continuing mission to help any of you who are interested in getting into woodworking and making gift items in a more serious way. Different designs that we will do will include Celtic themes. This again is something that we are truly passionate about and has a great influence on the different items that we design and create at our family workshop. We will continue to give you an insight into the skills and techniques that serve us well and hopefully will prove useful if you are interested in working with wood yourself. We're always creating and developing, so we will have some ornament style projects as well in that ASMR style, and we will show you the process of how these particular projects come together. This is another area that we're evolving into, and already we're finding that these items are proving particularly popular. We continue to give you an insight into the daily goings-on here at our family workshop, the changes, the way we evolve and adapt as the year progresses. Things like the machines, the hand tools, the scroll saw, the techniques that we use, the things that we learn as we go, the wood itself, the different styles that we're trying out as we evolve along the way. So plenty of things coming up in the next 12 months, lots of different demonstrations, new ideas, different themes that we hope will continue to keep your interest throughout the next 12 months. If you've got any areas of woodworking or scroll sawing or wood carving that you're struggling with and you need a little bit of guidance, remember to put it in that comment section. It's always a pleasure to be able to help. For you more advanced woodworkers as well, we really appreciate the support that you give us, and we hope you'll continue to give your insights that you've gained over the years by commenting on our videos to help any new woodworkers who might be watching to develop their skills. And thank you again for watching our videos.